What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to cancel automatic payment on PayPal. When I was searching on YouTube with the keyword PayPal cancel automatic payment, I come to know few videos and I watched videos. When I implement all the instruction they have mentioned on their video, I was not able to find the correct answer. I mean to say I was not able to remove the automatic payment from my PayPal account. So I decided to search on PayPal and find that option so that I can remove that automatic payment, because I subscribed to 3 days trial to test some software online. So now I know how to cancel the automatic payment on PayPal. So that's I'm gonna explain you in this video with all the instructions you have to follow and what you have to do. I'll tell you everything. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button here. When you click on the subscribe button, next to that you'll get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon and select all, and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and do let us know in the comment section if this video helped you to solve your problem, and do not forget to share with your friend. So now let's get on to the PayPal. Click on login and log into your account. Alright, I am logged into my account. I'm gonna hide all the other information, so do not mind that. I just like to tell you how you can remove the automatic payment here. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the setting option. Once you'll be here, you'll get this third option, payments. Click on the payments. Here you can see this option, automatic payment. View and update all your subscription and automatic payment. Click on manage automatic payments. Now here you can see your all payments you have added on your PayPal. Here you get two options, show active and show inactive. As I have already cancelled, so it's moved to inactive option, but here I have few of them which I recently subscribed. So I'm gonna tell you how you can cancel it. Just click on the company you subscribe and you want to cancel the automatic payment. For an example, I'm clicking on this one, the first one. Here, as you can see, I'm getting a name. I'm gonna hide all the information. I'm not gonna hide this option. So here you just have to click on cancel, and that's all you have to do. Once you click on cancel, it's gonna ask your permission or something like that. Click on yes, and that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching this video on how to cancel the automatic payment on PayPal. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.